Hey, what's up, guys? This is Volvo PA guy. Today we're replacing a 12-volt fuse on an XC90 2021. It's a hybrid. So the 12-volt socket inside the car, it doesn't have power. So the way I do it is always better to check owner's manual, or on this graphic or this picture it will show you some icons, and it's real hard to understand sometimes, but an easy way to know which fuse is blown, of course, is a test light. If you don't have a test light, but you have a light, it can help you a lot. So the way I do it is I shine the light, and I'm able to see the inside of the fuse, and with the camera it's kind of hard, but if you lean your head a little bit, and you'll be able to see, like this one here, it's blown. I see it open circuit, open contacts. So, and you go to this cover here, it has this piece of plastic that can work as pliers. So that's the one here. As you can see there, it's open, and you can steal one fuse on this cover, spare ones. See this one, you can see the inside filament compared to the blown one. I know you guys are gonna say like maybe it's a problem there, that well, sometimes people connect a lot of stuff through that socket and causes it to blow due to excessive draw of current. So in this case, everything is good, and it just needs to be replaced. I'm gonna put a spare one there back, so that way you guys don't say I stole the fuse. And it was number 24. Let's see the icon for 24. It's 27, 25, 24. It's just a lining electrical. So you wouldn't, I guess I will never find it like that. So again, the test light is the best thing, and of course re-inspect if the 12-volt socket is working with a test light, or with a good known component. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for choosing Volvo PA guy. God bless.